Okay, for this screencast, we're going to show you how you can set up a variable product using WooCommerce for your WordPress website. Now, a variable product is one that has options like maybe size, like small, medium, large, that kind of thing. So I've set up my website here, and I've got a little mock store set up where I'm selling prints of black and white photography. I've got 3 here, but I want to go ahead and add one more. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. And you can see I've got WooCommerce set up, so I'm going to go to Products, Add Product. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is enter your product name. And so this is just going to be a photo of my Canon camera, so I'm going to go Canon Shadows. Now if I had a long in-depth description of this product, I could put it in here. Not really required for this product, so I'm going to skip this. And scroll down until I come to product data. And from this menu I can select which type of product I want this to be. Well, this is going to be a variable product because I've got options for my customers. If you've got an SKU number or a part number, you can add that here. I don't have that. So I'm going to go ahead and skip to attributes. This is where I can set up my, my options for my customers. So I click on attributes. And if I didn't set anything up already beforehand, I could just click on Add Custom Product Attribute and set up what I wanted, like size or color, that kind of thing. And I've already set up a couple. I'm going to take print size. So I'm going to add my print size attribute. And there it's done, print size, it's added. And now I need to select the values, like what sizes do I want to sell these prints in. Now you can see if I click on the field there, it shows me the sizes I've already set up. So I'm going to go ahead and say select all, and it adds all the ones that I've already set up over here in attributes. I did that beforehand, but if you hadn't done that, you could go ahead and click on add new, and I'll do that now just to show you what it looks like. And I will add another size. I'll say a 4 by 6 inch print. Okay, click OK. With the wheel spinning there, you can see that it added the 4 by 6 inch size to my print size values. Now I don't need it visible on the product page, but I do need to use it for my variations, so I have to click this checkbox. And I need to click Save Attributes, so do that. Spinning, now that has been saved. Now the next step is I need to go to Variations. Click on Variations. And I've set up those 4 different sizes, so I want to go ahead and click Link All Variations. It says, are you sure you want to do this? Yes. And a little wheel spinning. And here you can say, okay, 4 variations added. Those are those 4 sizes that I've added. Now what this is going to allow me to do is go to each of those sizes. Here's the first one, 4 by 6 inches. I'm going to set a price of $19 there. And I don't need to enter any of this other information, but if you have other information that you'd like to put in here that would be different from variable to variable, you can go ahead and do that. I just need the different price amounts. So for a 4 by 6 inch print, it's going to be $19. For an 8 by 12 inch print, I'll say $29. For a 20 by 30 inch print, I will say $49. And for a 40 by 60 inch print, I will say $69. Okay, I don't need to save anything yet. I'll just keep scrolling down. Now down here's where I can enter a short description, and this will show right next to my product photo. So I'll just put in a brief Canon 5D Mark II. Now that's not necessary, I guess I should just go ahead and make it capital. Now this isn't necessary, you don't need to add this, I'm just adding a little bit of information here. Okay, so I've done that. I'm going to scroll all the way up, all the way, select a category. Select photography. If you needed to add a new category, you can just click here and create a new category just like you would with any other WordPress post. Now, another important step is I need to add the product image. So I scroll down here to Featured Image and click on that, Set Featured Image. Now you could upload files from your hard drive. but I've already done that. And so in my media library, there's the file I want. I'm going to set that as my product image. And there it is. Okay, so to recap, I clicked on Add Product, put the name in there, Canon Shadows. I went down here, selected it as a variable product. I set up my attributes, which is the print size, and I added the different sizes I wanted to offer. And then in the variation step, I added the different prices for each print size. I went down here, added a short description that will show up on the product page. I went up here, added the photography category, put it in the photography category, and then I added the product image. So I'm going to go ahead and hit publish now. And as soon as this refreshes, okay, it says product has been published. So I'm going to go to the front end of the website. There's my store. It's got my 3 products, but now I'm going to refresh the page. And you can see that it's added the 4th product there. So if I click on that thumbnail, it will show me, here is the product page. There's my product photo. If I click on it, I can see a larger size of it. And here's the product name, Canon Shadows. That's the name of the print. Here's the little brief description that I added. You can see it's between $19 and $69. But what I need to do now is choose my print size. So say if I, actually too, before I even do that, I want to show you that, notice that there's no add to cart button. It's not even showing up yet, so there's not even an option of purchasing this until you select this option. So say for example I want to select the 40 by 60 inch. There it shows me my price of $69. Or maybe I changed my mind. No, I want a little 8 by 12. And that's $29. And that is how you can set up a variable product using WooCommerce in WordPress for your WordPress site. My name is Ted Vieira, and if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out to me. Go to my website, imageperceptions.com, and I would be happy to answer any questions you might have. Okay, see you next time.